Today I decided to combine my two guilty pleasures into a bundle of love, joy, and happiness: bacon and chocolate. Because I've never done it before, I will also do a taste test at the end of the video and let you know which flavor I like the best. Starting with the bacon, make sure to buy a thick cut. Bake it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and then switch the oven to broil and broil the bacon for another 2 or 3 minutes at the most. When you take the tray out of the oven, tilt it so the fat can drain out of the bacon and let it rest for at least 30 minutes or until the bacon is completely cooled. The bacon will get stiffer and it will be easier to apply the chocolate this way. And the best way to melt the chocolate is to microwave it on high for 30 seconds, stir it well and microwave it for another 30 seconds. And at this point you're still gonna be seeing chocolate chips in the chocolate, but if you continue to stir it, it will eventually melt and you will end up with a consistent and smooth chocolate. Next, place the bacon strips on a sheet of parchment paper. Take a strip and run each side through the melted chocolate and scrape the excess chocolate with a fork. Carefully place the bacon back on the parchment paper and proceed with the next strip of bacon. To flavor my chocolate bacon, I'm using coconut shavings, mixed nuts, cayenne pepper, sea salt, orange zest, and white chocolate. I melted the white chocolate the same way I melted the dark one. And to make it even more fun, I decided to do a few strips of bacon with white chocolate and decorate them with dark chocolate. And when you're done with the decoration, place the chocolate bacon in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, and I actually kept it in the refrigerator overnight. The longer, the better. When ready to serve, carefully remove the chocolate bacon from the parchment paper and arrange it in a serving tray.
White chocolate and dark chocolate. It's a yes. Dark chocolate and orange peel.
Oh yes, definite yes.
Dark chocolate and white chocolate, that should be the same as this one. Just as good as this one.
I forgot the mixed nuts.
Yeah. Sea salt. Very good.
Alright, coconut.
Yeah, can't really taste the coconut.
Cayenne pepper.
Ooh, that's good.
Oh well, I put an extra one here, so I guess I'll take a bite just to make it uniform.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I love you all. Goodbye.